All right, today I have a Chevy Bolt and I'm going to show you how to disconnect the charger from the Bolt in order to drive your vehicle. All right, you can see right here, the charge is complete on the screen right here. In order to disconnect it, what I'll do is I'm gonna show you, but before we get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm going to go up to it. You can see it's actively charging. I'm charging with a Grizzly charger. What I'm going to do is I'm going to simply take this, I'm going to press the button, pull it out, and I'm going to go ahead and put the charger back into place right here. I'm going to take it and push it in there, wait for it to click, it stays in there. Take the cable and coil it to keep it from getting in place. So I coiled it somewhat, and then I'm going to go back around to the front of the vehicle, and then I'll see the front of the vehicle right here. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and shut the fuel door or the power door right here, and I'm ready to go. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.